Browsing our photos can be a bit of a pain sometimes. We're all used to opening up our Photos app, and all we see is this endless stream of unstructured photos and videos. Luckily, there are a few ways to browse our photos that's much better than this hot mess. If we go back, the first one is actually right down here. This section breaks all our content up into the various media types, and we see options like videos, where we can tap and see all of our videos, or selfies, where we see all of the photos and videos taken with our front-facing camera. And then my personal favorite, screenshots. So we can easily find all the good stuff we screenshotted to share with friends or remember. This next section is a fun one. It's the people and places section. The people category allows you to tag people's faces, and it will auto-search your photos to find other pictures of those people. It's cool, but I don't find myself using it that often. I do use the places category when I'm feeling nostalgic or back from a trip. We can tap on the places tile, and it opens up a map of the world. We see these little clusters of photos, and we can scroll through the map to see all the pictures we've taken all over the world. We can pinch to zoom and see more detail about where each picture was taken. And we can tap on a location to see all the photos from that area. Here's our pictures from Dublin. Guinness. Last is this little Photos tab down here. This orders our content chronologically and breaks it up by year. We can tap on one of the year tiles and see the photos broken up into months. We can then tap on a month and see the photos broken up by days. Oh, nice. We can tap on one of these days to see the individual photos. Seeing all these tasty bevs is making me thirsty. Let's grab a coffee so we can keep conquering the world.